you can present yourself, the name of the group, and your solution.
Hello. Hi everybody. We are the group number 1. Our name is Grante. I would like to say hello to the representatives of ICL. We were a group of 3 developers and 2 graphic designers without any idea about graphic and development. We just came here for learning, so we wanted just to put our ideas about how we can help for making the website better and motivate people. So our goals was first to motivate people donating blood. How we can do it? Firstly, we put in our homepage a clock counter which says how many days and how many hours we had for the next ambulance, which is outside the road, so everybody knows where and when it will be the meeting point and the place for going and donate money. Blood, sorry. And then we create a blog where people can enter and see like informations and talk one to each other about how you're going to donate and how was their experience about it. And here is the home page in which you can enter in each. You can click in each image and go at the page. For example, the first image is the information, etc. We also thinking about having the opportunity to book from the website. So each person can log in and create a status inside the website, a profile. So it can check the timetable and book where he wants to go and when he wants to go and donate, give the blood. Also, we thought about emails. Just the website can check when it was the meeting, when it was the date that they chose, and for example, one day before to send an email for remind them their appointment. And we thought about having some special offers and gifts. For example, like people who will donate money, that day they can take a credit card or something and have discount in some special places like supermarkets or something like this. Or offer them juice, an orange juice, or something like that after the donation. Okay, second, provide information about blood donation, which is the most important thing, because if somebody wants to go and donate, must first know what is donation and how he can donate, if he can donate, if he has all the abilities. So, in the information page in the information page, there is a panel in which panel we will have like a biography. We didn't create it because we didn't have the whole information. It's just a demo. So here you could have lots of links about how you can donate or which which are the blood types and how you can notice if you are able to donate and stuff like that. And here we will have some Facebook links, Twitter or YouTube, the YouTube channel of the association, so everybody can see it because we are using these social networks very much. Also, we can provide them information from the multimedia page, in which there are images about lots of the events that the association made, or some videos about from the YouTube channel that the association has. So, the next goal. We want also to motivate children so they will know what is the blood donation. How we can do that? We thought about putting in the website also videos, like funny videos or videos for children, just like here in the multimedia part, just for because the image helps and children doesn't want words or maybe they can read, so it's the best solution. And also like made some stories with funny way, so children can learn from young how and what is donation. Also, we made some kind of games, like with a funny way they can see. Okay. Sorry about this. Next goal, helping also the association, because it's not only to motivate people but also to help the association. How we can do this? By the booking. If someone creates a profile and book the appointment, he doesn't have to call for the booking part, so the association can have the database and just take it and don't waste time or have confusions like this. Because also we are thinking about in the homepage to create a donate money panel, so if someone wants to donate something, okay, I think the association needs it. And questionnaires. In the information page, we thought, and also in the homepage, we thought to add some questionnaires, so we can each time we know what the people want. For example, why they are not donating. Because they are boring or because they don't have time, so we can find solutions about asking them. Thank you for your attention. That was it. So I will show you a demo because we don't have. Yes, I have exactly 2 minutes. Okay. So here it is. Because we are just amateurs, we couldn't do anything, but we have the homepage here and the information page in which you can come and see all the news here by clicking. Here is the Facebook link and the Twitter and everything. And the multimedia. Here we can put some pictures from the event, as I said before. You can click. And the game, okay, it's what is the game?
We try. No, images and then games.
24. we're supposed to work. But it doesn't work. Well, okay. As I mentioned, we are makers of. Wonderful. Okay, so that's it. Thank you again for your attention. And we hope that we.
Try now. I have it. Try now.
No, because of the connection.
Fantastic.
Oh, there is no internet connection. Just for the record. Guys.
They have been developed.
No, we opened the internet. There is no internet connection, so the website don't work well.
Hello, I'm representing EESTEC in We had to work on the ICT infrastructure for the Blood Donor Association of Trieste. We were a team for like 2 developers and 3 designers. Our main goal was simplifying the management of the association so that people can have more time spreading the word for the donation system, making the website easier to use so many people could use the website and donate blood to help other people. The project is about involving more people so we can develop the group of people at the association, improving the health situation of people worldwide, simplifying the concept of blood donation because not all people know exactly what it's about. So there are people that don't know what it's about, so they don't do it. So we try to explain to them so maybe they will involve in donating blood. Our idea for the web application, we had an online member database, so like every people can find out information about his blood type, his personal data. It has an interactive menu, so it's be very accessible for all the people. We wanted to take this concept to the mobile platform, but we didn't have much time, so we're not providing a demo for the Windows 7 platform. Okay, this is a sketch of our website. Notice the interactive menu on the left that will be on the mobile platform as well, so the design can meet up. We had like different user types for login, adding and editing data, event planning, booking appointments with calendar, and things like that. I'll show you the demo now. Loads. The loading system is accessible from the first
The reason thing.
no internet.
No.
It's like you see there is no connection? That's why.
It's the first page in the canyon, but the other page is on pause.
No.
Nikki, you didn't enter.
There's a login system that works, but we do not develop it very good because we don't have much time. You can check the account code and you should faster update email address and other personal data. The logout function, I think it works. It should work. Yep. Yeah, this was our project. Thank you for your attention.
I have started on therapy. So it's the same, but
не харайка, да?
Yes, you can.
So, we are Itados, just because we are all from Italy, and then there's Domen from okay, so our ESS labs consist in finding a web solution to help the Blood Donator Association of Trieste. So, okay, they asked me for find an innovative way to simplify the management of the association, and then to find a way to involve more people into the association. So what we thought about, okay, our solution. Our designers created an attractive and simple design so all users can find it quite easy to use our website. And okay, here is the homepage. Okay, as you can see, they also create a new logo which represents a pelican bringing some blood on his beak. Okay, so, and then I can show you another partner page. This is a sort of page with all information about the associations, like link, contacts, activities, events, and here is the picture of the date, and those are other pictures you can see. Okay, so our designers tried to make it quite easy, user-friendly, and funny. So first of all, everybody is able to use it, and then maybe if they see something easy, they will stay on the site and check for some information. So, okay. Then if you log in on the home page, there you find your personal page. Okay, this is a pint of blood, a sack of blood, and the sack of blood seals a little every time you donate blood. So when the pint is full, then you receive a medal, and there are all your medals. And then there's a sort of competition, and there's a classification. So the more medals you have, the stronger you are. And we made this so people can be proud of being a donator, and maybe they won't stop donating. Okay, here is a countdown which shows you how long you won't be able to donate. And where countdown is all 0, then you can book your next donation. Here is, okay, we also created a new database, so when you click on book your next donation, you will find this calendar, and as you can see, you can choose the place where donate, yes, and also the date, the day and the hour. So as you can see, for example, from 9 to 10, it's 9 to 10, okay, you can't donate because it's all full, but as example, you can book your reservation on 8 o'clock. Okay, and for me this is all. Then maybe, okay, then now Dominic is going to show you
the demo.
the demo. Okay, this is about it.
Okay. Yeah, the resolution is a little different. This is the homepage. When you would log in, the interface would come up. You would type something in. You would sign in. This is the homepage for the personal page for the user.
Okay, can I say just one thing I forgot before? I would say that the donation, the calendar helps a lot, just because there are a lot of people we say that they aren't able to donate just because they don't have time. But if things are organized like that, they will. This was the main reason to do the calendar. So sorry, go on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say that we used jQuery for this, and the rounded corners are CSS3. And we also created a new database, but unfortunately we couldn't share it. We took some pictures of it. This is the database. Here is the insert, the search and the homepage link. If it would click insert, it would, no, sorry, if it would click search, it would show members, show analysis, show members data, and donations. This is the database. You could also order it by date of birth, email, or any other characteristic. And that's pretty much it. So, thank you for your attention.
Yes. tolerance hours with
First of all, we would like to present ourselves. We are group number 4, and our name is Naroa. We are in 3 designers and 2 developers, and we work together learning each other. So our goal is to realize a database in order to help the organization to reach all the data and inform all the citizenship of the city about the place where the blood bank is. And we made this through creating a web page. This is the first page that we will present after. And then we got an interactive forum. But now let's see how it is composed. So first of all, you can notice blocks showing all the types of blood, and they are with different colors. So the red color means that this type of blood is needed in a different way. Blue, it means that there is the need of it, but we can wait. And green, it's okay, we continue immediately. Then on the web page there is a map showing where the blood bank is in any moment, and it is recognized by a red heart. And so it changes every day, so when the bank will then move. Then a person can register on our web, and with the registration, this person will receive an SMS text on the mobile phone telling when he's available for the next donation. Then, when you connect on Google Maps, you can automatically see the part, so you can notice where the van is. And moreover, you will receive the newsletter of the association. Registration is very simple because if a person go and donate blood in the van, it will be automatically registered by the nurse. Or there are other 2 ways to register. The first is inserting all the more data on the web page. And the second is automatically assigned with the Facebook profile, because nowadays almost everybody has got it, so it's a simple way. And then we have got a database containing all the data of donators and organizers. Every donator can see his or her profile, but only his profile, while the organizers have a complete vision of it. In order to enter it, there is a password which is encrypted, so it's secure. And so this is the reason why we created a website, because we think that it can reach more people. It's very easy to use. Here it is linked with Facebook, because nowadays almost everybody uses it. And moreover, because in our group, none of us has got a Windows phone, so an application or a wasn't useful. Now, can we show the demo?
I'm José Ignacio, and I'm going to present you the demo of the website. This is the main page, the home page. We use a PHP backend for the server side of the website. Here you have the blog types drops, where you can see the information, the current status of blog available. Here is the menu, which is composed of the home button, the interactive forum, the about information about the association, contact information, and some tools. This is the login section. It's currently working, but it needs to work. And this is the current map of the donation bank. You can click to inherit it, and currently it has no tracked position, but it's supposed to be dynamic. This is the about information. And this is the contact page. That's it. Thank you for your attention.
First of all, thank you all for coming here. This is a presentation of our ideas for the web page we're going to make. So our group is called Group Materialis. We are made of 2 developers and 2 artists. So what's the point of our website? Website is supposed to provide donation service, attracting people into the association, and educate people about blood donation. So here we see the home page, the first page that pop-ups. It's a very simple design. We have a basic image and some basic lines about us. And to attract people, we have one important fact. that every 2 seconds someone needs some blood. And how to save a life? You can save a life by giving blood. So to help people know what is blood donation, we have the statistics page. It shows random statistics about blood donation, the risks of blood donation, and how to donate blood. So it's a very friendly interface. You have now 12 statistics and a lot of images. Also, we have some steps which you can follow to safely donate blood. Also, to help people understand everything. We have put some basic images in that, like this person. He doesn't know anything, but he wants to know everything about blood donation. So it really helps to personalize our webpage and interact with different people, different type of people. The main menu, the header, is very simple in design. We don't want anything to pop out to scare the people. Only a simple design with the basic buttons, the basic functions. The logo is designed to help people understand what it is. With very simple information, just the name and the symbol of blood. This tab is events. When people come to this page, they want to know when to donate, how to donate. They want to communicate with different people. So we all thought of an idea. We should put an event tab that shows different events, different locations, lots of images with people donating, basic information, the date of the event, the place of the event, people, the number of people which are coming there. And this is the important tab. The important tab is specially designed for contributor members, the members who have donated lots of times and are in the organization, the members who can make the appointments, make the events. So it's very easy to make. You just have to place the date, write the name, and write the time. You submit it, and if you are the contributor member, the date is placed in the events tab. Also, there's a little picture, so it really helps people understand what it is. We thought we should make someone like when you are going to an appointment, you want to make an appointment, and an old man is waiting there to write the appointment. So we use this picture. The frequently asked questions. We all want to ask something about blood donation. So the best way to do that is to make a forum. Everybody can place their questions there. So lots of different opinions can be shared there. People can ask simple questions and complicated questions. So, but the questions will be answered by professionals. So if you want to contact someone from the organization, we thought it would be the best solution for that was to make something like this. You just have to write your name, your email, confirm your email, and write the question. It could be anything. But the emails go to our professionals, or the professionals from that organization. And we also, as on all the other pages, we inserted images. The sign-in form is very simple. When you're a member, you get your username and your password. You just click on sign in and a pop-up window will appear. You write your username and write your password. Then you go to the user interface. User interface is very friendly, very simple. It consists of one table and different icons and the logo of the association. So you have basic information like your full name, your email address, your street name, street number, city, and your postcode. Blood information. Blood information is the information about your gender, your weight, and your blood type. The donation information is the information about the amount you have donated and the last time you have donated. The membership info. As you are now a member of the association, you have to know when you have joined, how long have you been a member, when have you given blood? What's your membership ID? You have to know all of those things. So the simplest thing is to make a table with every piece of information. And the last thing is the event information. It's a list of events you have been in. So it's very simple to use. And when you're done with it, you just click on account and log out. Thank you for your attention. Now we're going to show you a simple demo. Keep in mind, we are not professionals, and we just try to make the page just like on design. So, we're having a little trouble with the resolution. I don't know, it's maybe from the projector, but we try to make it as simple as possible. Put the buttons up, write some content on the page, and let the people use it. Don't use too much pop-up windows and those things. So, you got some functions about our page. Thank you for your attention.
Okay guys, the first 5 groups can go and have lunch now, because at 2 o'clock we have to be at the EESTEC headquarters. Okay, group number 6.
Okay. Hello everybody, I am Elia. I'm here to represent our group, Creative. And this is our project. We call it Hard Rocks. We are a team composed of 4 Italian students and 1 Greek student. We are 3 developers and 2 designers. And one of us is not here today, unfortunately. The values that inspired us are innovation and cooperation. So this project really teaches us to work in groups. It has been a fresh experience for us. And really something new, but was quite a challenge to come work together to create something very unique. So we wanted, first of all, to come out with a very good idea. We are not experienced developers and not experienced designers, so we wanted to really have an idea that stands out, that would make our project unique. So we wanted to focus on something, on a website that would provide ease of use and so very good accessibility to its contents. And so we wanted to also focus on giving incentive for people to get informed on what is donating blood, on how to do it, and on the blood donating association. So we wanted also to make it very appealing to also young users, to people who have never donated blood, and also, like I said, giving them some kind of motivation. So, what is HeartDrops? It's basically a graphic interface, which you can see on the landing page. This is an early sketch we made, which represents how the graphic interface is made. And on this sketch, our designers worked to make it real, to implement it in our website. So the landing page features 5 main categories, which are listed here. The categories are news, booking, become a member, why, how, information on donating blood, and some cosmetic statistics about the ADS. The main heart in the center of the graphic interface is supposed to be dynamically shifting depending on the amount of blood collected by the blood van. If the blood van has not been around town, it shows a countdown until the next trip of the blood van. But we didn't manage to implement it in the demo. The news and events page, of course, shows various events and information from the ADS or sponsored by the ADS, so the users, the visitor can find the information with ease. The booking page will be something that allows the user to access very easily the blood bank by using a map and a calendar. The calendar to select the day for the booking. Well, the map shows the various stops of the blood bank, so one can see where the closest point to his home. And of course, registered users will be able to receive email notifications. The statistics page will contain a map with the concentration of blood donors in the province of Trieste, as well as the concentration of blood types. And of course, more cosmetic graphs like the amount of donations that will give to the user an idea of the numbers of ADS. It is also possible to subscribe to the site. Membership has its features, which are, of course, a user profile that can be viewed by other users, which will contain basic information. The ability to track your donation, see where your donation goes, basically. And also, of course, email notification and other utilities features. We also wanted to motivate more the users by including some kind of challenge. Users can gain points, heart points, which can be obtained by donating blood, attending events, donating money, or making people become donors. So it's people are really encouraged to become active in donating blood. So the user profile, of course, will contain basic info like name, surname, etc. Photo, a type of blood. Of course, some information like amount of donations. And membership type, because not all members are the same. Some only donate blood, others contribute to the organization with money and else. The information page will of course contain reasons why a person should donate blood, so another incentive. And of course detailed instruction how to donate blood to make it easy and to make sure people don't have trouble donating blood, they are not scared by what you need to do. And that's it for the presentation. Now I would like to show you the demo. So this is our main interface. User can navigate through the interface by clicking on it. And as you see, if you click on a section on a drop, the content of that section of the site will come out. So the user doesn't have to navigate through various pages. All the content is displayed on the same page. As I said in the beginning of the presentation, we aren't script developers, so this is we didn't manage to implement all the content. It took a lot of time for us to develop this, but we really believe this is a great idea and has a lot of potential. That's it. Thank you.
Welcome to everybody. We are the Red Cells group. I'm Julia, she is awesome. And now we are to show you how did we work for this project. So the set objectives: developing a web and mobile infrastructure to simplify the management of ADS and involve more people into the association. How did we work? First of all, SWOT analysis. What are the strengths of the association? The availability of the work of the blood bank ban, we think it's very important. What are the weaknesses of the association? Low visibility of the association. We checked on the website and we thought that at the home page people had to see where, when, and how can donate, and there it isn't. You have to search the information. So, in our opinion, this is a weakness. The opportunity of the association involve young people with maybe a more attractive website. So, we started to think, which are our ideas. We could create a QR code to make the association infos more accessible to everyone. If you see a poster of the association, if you have your mobile, you can go to the homepage of the association using the QR code. create a more attractive website. The website of the ADAs now it's a little bit simply. There's not so much colors. We don't like it. Create mobile applications. So Android phone app, iBlog for iPhone, and Windows mobile app. These were our ideas, but we have a very, very short time, and we are all beginners. So we had to decide what to do and what not to do. And we decided to create a new web page for the association, designing something that reminds a social network, because we wanted to involve young people to donate, because if you begin to donate when you are young, you will do it again and again and again and again. So our project steps. In the beginning was the drop. We decided that the drop of blood was our main motive, and so we worked around this drop. It was the first work on Illustrator for us, so we tried to be something that was simply but original and funny. The designer proposed their ideas to the developers, and so they told us what we could do and what we couldn't. At first we worked on paper and then tried to work on the computer with Illustrator. We create a new logo of the association, and we create a logo with the AES, Act, Donate, Save. The developers started designing the database, and they decided to have a private area on website where members can check their profile, which consists of the number of donation, the last donation date, the next date from which you can donate, and the result of their broad analysis. And they also can check the date. No, I just said sorry. Based on membership type, members will have an appropriate interface. The administrator can put and change blood analysis, add new members, and create new events. At the end, we have learned many things during this lab. First of all, we have learned how to work in team and how to distribute text. That was the most difficult part of the lab. We learned the importance to organize the ideas before start working in order to have a complete view of the project. How to use appropriate tools for designing web pages, and each one improve himself and help others to improve themselves. And this was the most important thing for us. So, at the end, before I show you the demo, we want to say this. If you ask to you why to donate, you can find a lot of answers. But if you ask you why not to donate, are you really able to find an appropriate answer? I don't think. Now, the demo. So we show you the demo.
So we keep the demo. This is the homepage.
Yes, you can see it's something like a dating website. Okay, Glodis, I'm a young AB positive and I'm searching for an O negative. If you are interested, meet me at the first floor of the Ospedale Maggiore. I will be waiting for you from Monday till Saturday from 8 to 11 a.m. Don't worry if you are not alone. I have a lot of friends for you. Okay? In this part, it will appear the why you have to donate. It's a question that the site brings to you when you go on your private page. And every time it changes, and you can see all the answer of all of the donators. On the right side, you can see your future broadband plan rendezvous.
There is a private part where it's a different kind of user can log in. Here is the profile page of a member, the donator. It's a text, it's written text that reminds him that donating is helpful and very useful to all others. And here is the message, the phrase he's written about how well he felt when how good was it feeling because of the donation he has made. This is here is written how many donations he has done. So each time he donates, the number increases. In the right part, it's written the last donation date and the kind of donation. And when he's able to donate again, he can check out. There is the enactment of the website that can add a new member. Here is the form. He can choose the member type. The members are donor, collaborator, owner, and benefactor. It depends on which member type. He can. There are the different kind of forms. If it's a donor, if it's not a donor, a benefactor, there is no different surname. So different information are required. Okay. He can also add a new donation. Here is the form. It's needed the ID card number, the donation type that can be plasma, blood, or both, the amount of the blood, and the name of the event. Finally, there is a private consultation for the doctor, which is where you can change the data for donation, for when a user does donate.
It's not. That's it. Thank you, Dr.
We didn't have time to implement everything. Maybe we could do another part like frequently asked questions, so to inform more the people about how good is to donate and to help them realize that donation isn't something dangerous or it's good to do, and it's a good feeling for them. Thank you.
start saying a thing that it's been a real hard task to choose among all the different ideas we had found during these days. And we did this job, we chose what to really present at the end by, I don't know, by choosing the ones that could, in a way, really be implemented in the final demo of the website. Okay. What we wanted to, in a way, to produce is was a web application that was both available for new members, new donors, possible donors, and the members that are already part of the association. And so we analyzed the different needs of the two I don't know, groups. For the all members, we thought that the most important thing was to be hands-on participation on the association activity. Instead, to attract more people to the blood donation, we thought that an appropriate info section and an awareness program about blood donation were the two most important things to add to this application. How we wanted to, in a way, to implement this in the application. We followed for two different ways again. One for the members and one for the new donors. I'm sorry. Okay. We wanted to provide the members with a direct access to the donor situation. For instance, an history of the screening and the previous donation dates and the following possible donation date. A booking form to book in advance their next donation, and some forms to provide the association with some suggestions to improve their service in a way. And last but not least, a notice area that contains what we call the notice and a special invitation that is invitation that the donor gets after he has reached a number, an amount of blood donated, and if, for example, for instance, he invites new people to donate the blood and to join the association. On the other hand, for the visitor of the site and so the possible new donors, we inserted in the website what we call the emometer that shows the actual need of blood in the situation of the research of the logistics information and a section that is called why to donate that contains some useful facts. Why we decided to do this kind of branching between the two different categories? Because even if, for example, this is the emometer, even if some parts of the website would be useful to both of the groups, some others, and the emometer or the donation calendar, that would be useful to both. The other one, when you log in as a member, probably you will have the need to have more services. For example, this is a booking form via which you can book in advance your donation. Or, for example, this is the notify that the notice area in which you are notified about the activity and the association of your special events and special invitation, and then you can reply and in a way accept your or confirm your presence to the next event. Thank you. And now we will show a demo. This is the homepage that you can reach as a public visitor, and you have on the top the blood status, the blood reserve status, some boxes referring to the events, next events, the donation calendar, and some pictures of the activity, and then some other links that lead you to pop up with some interesting information about the association activity. And then, if we log in, okay, if we log in, we have the possibility to see and to book in advance for new for next donation and or events to reach this program. Thank you. To reach your latest analysis and screening results, and some information and the notice area in the upper right corner of the page.
So that's all. Thanks for watching.
Okay, hi, I'm Tim from Comatin. We're three developers and no designers, so we'll have the lead list here with the design section. This is our project presentation for the EESTEC summer school. So let's begin. Our goal is in general to build an infrastructure to help the Blood Donor Association in Trieste. It contains two parts. The first one is to find an innovative way of simplifying the organization of the association, and the other one is to make more people want into it. So the first element is to simplify the management. With the power of web languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, or SQL, we're going to build a useful web app that will organize dynamically all the donation requests for the admin. Imagine a calendar which is going to be dynamically filled with user requests. The next idea is to build an event page where the right user will be able to set its location on the map and fill out the form with necessary data such as date, the event, etc. He will press the request button and everything will be done, so he won't have to waste your time standing with you. As we all know, one is not just personal superhero, that's why we create some roles. By saying roles, we mean that every person will have different tasks. The admin will be able to set roles to others so that they can add some section of the web page. For example, it will be the author role, which will be responsible for the news of the association. The van driver will have the ability to add the event info in case of any problem, and people will get informed about it today. Another thing that we mentioned is that donations is considered as a task from people, so we know you're too busy, so don't worry. We remind you everything. As we said before, every user will have to create a profile and provide some data such as his mail or phone, so we'll have the possibility to contact him. When donations succeed, our web app will take care to send it from here, and mail or just text message reminding that it's time to donate again. Something like this. Final challenge is to make our website popular when you write, it's really attractive. So every regular or active donator after 6 years, you have the possibility to get symbolic prize. That's really good because every donator will get additional motivation for helping people. But the real prize is not material, it's something better. It's satisfaction that it gets from people. For example, there will be also a board page, something like common space, where people who have received blood can express their feelings about this action. In this way, the donators get the real prize, which is the gratitude from these people. And now, already involved in our website. Thank you, and now I can show you the demo. And as I mentioned, we had no designer, so there we had some problems. This is the home page. This is the slider where we will post some photos, the most important photos from the event. This is a box where users can reserve blue fund. The event page is as I said before. This is the news feed. We have also a registered function, for example. And all the others, first register, okay, keep looking. Okay, so folks that you can reserve a blue fund, sound like this. Some text, amount of work you can set your application, and the desired date and request the fund. We have also built a member page, just that page, events page, where the admin will create some events and can give the possibility to users to sign up for the event. And the board page where users leave their comment. That's all. Thank you.
Present you our idea for the blood donation. We're a group Vampire Hunters, and in our group we're Laura, Nicola, Marco, Davor, Daniel, and me, Sasha. So let me start. Okay, first I will tell you like the general idea, then we'll tell you something about website design and like show you the mobile application, then we'll tell you something about the database, and for the end we'll tell you possible future developments, and then we'll conclude and show you the demo. Well, actually we created a web application that it is also compatible with a mobile phone. We focused on the blood donors because we wanted like to help them if they decide to donate blood. So we wanted to make it simple for them. We also have like 2 different layouts for people who already donated blood and for those who hadn't donated blood yet. So here we have John Smith. He's 26 years old and he's thinking about giving blood. So we wanted to help John about deciding to give blood or not and make it easy for him. Okay, here is how it looks like. Here you have the new events that are going on, and the location of the event is also showed on the map. And I'll tell you about the other things in the next slide. Like you have a login form. We didn't actually create a register form because first you have to go to a hospital, so you have to show like some ID or stuff like that. So they register you there and they add you to the database. Then we also have like general information about blood donations. This is for the not logged in members, so they know something more about, so they can like help people and stuff like that. So like I said before, we had like events part. Then we have also like an icon when will you donate next. Okay, here is the layout for registered members. It says like hi John Smith because he decided to donate blood. The differences between unregistered and registered members are shown here. You have like also some more information about him. You have also days remaining to the next donations, and when it reaches like 0, you get an email also, and events and maps stay the same. Okay, yeah, we have when you click on the events, you have like different locations for different events. So when you on the map, when you click, I don't know, to A, the right event is also highlighted, so you know which location goes to which event. We have like also personal information for the registered members. We have like basic information like name and age and blood type. We also have general informations like which one was the last event, what was the last donation date, number of donations, total amount of donated blood, and expiration card date. We also have like blood analysis, like how much substances do you have in your blood. We were also thinking about maybe if you wouldn't have like the right amount of one substance, it would like change. It would have like different color because you can't donate blood if you don't have like the right amount of one substance. Okay, here is the mobile phone layout. We wanted to like create icons that would be recognizable. Here, like you have the logo. Then the first icon. When you click on the first icon, you get like your information about name and the picture. And the main picture shows the events. So it goes to the event page. When you click on one icon, it also it takes like the whole screen also on your mobile phone. Let's go down. There's also an icon that shows like blood analysis, the last event attended, and then the last icon, it gives you like how many days remaining, so when we will be able to donate blood again. Now Daniel will tell us something more about the database.
Hello everyone, I'm Daniel. With the database that we were given, we added some rows, like for the event table, we added the title and the description of the event because we want to inform the users more about the event. On the members, we also added the number of donations they have done. Okay, so possible future developments and ideas. We have a social network implementation where users can search other people on the same blood type, or they can browse their profiles. Also, they can share on social networks like Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. Also, for the gallery expansion, we thought about making a gallery for each event. So we would put pictures about each event, so we can show the people how it can be done. Also, we have an achievement system where users can have a bronze, silver, or gold heart badge based on the number of donations they have done. Okay. In the conclusions, this is a great info point for blood donors and future donors. It gathers information about future events. You can check the gallery about recent events. You can also check the map of the location. It has a great stylish design based on the new Windows 8 Metro interface. It's good for all resolutions, from mobile phones, tablets, and full screen HD layouts. Screen sizes. Okay, thank you. I don't know, shall we a demo? this is the layout. If I shrink it, it also shrinks all the content. And if I go portrait mode, it will change to mobile layout. You can see that in mobile layout there is no text. When you click, it's also large for you to press with your fingers, so it's easy to interact with. Here you have a map, Google Maps, it's interactive. Here you have the next event of ADS. Here you have the info that Sasha told you. Here you have the date remaining, the information, here is a slideshow, where you can take pictures from different events that held. And this with the big profile information that you can edit. Thank you. If you have any questions, thank you.